48% of Wisconsin, that's nearly 2.8 million people, are now said to be fully vaccinated against COVID-19. But doctors say we are not moving the needle if we're only getting 5,000 vaccinations a day. And right now, the 7-day average is less than 5,400. And if more shots don't go into arms, experts say new strains of COVID will continue to spread. That Delta variant already taking hold in some parts of the U.S., but not Wisconsin, at least not yet. And Jamie Perez explains what a new study is telling us about this contagious strain.
Right now in Wisconsin, we're averaging about 115 new COVID cases per day. Of those, about one person per day is dying. That's according to the Department of Health Services. Most of the deaths are happening to those who are unvaccinated, and a lot of this is because of the Delta variant.
Kind of the real deal. It's a little bit concerning if you're unvaccinated.
Doctors and medical professionals see the growing impacts the Delta variant is having on more and more communities.
There's some studies that show that it's a bit more dangerous, maybe even twice as likely to land you in a hospital.
The study Dr. Jeff Pothoff is referencing shows that people infected with the Delta variant had 1,000 times more copies of the virus in their respiratory tracts than the original virus.
One of the ways that we could explain why it's so much more infectious than our other strains is because people who are infected probably are able to spread many more copies of that virus than folks with regular COVID.
DHS Deputy Secretary Julie Williams Van Dyke says it's spreading in other states and could happen here too.
And in places like Southwest Missouri and Arkansas, we are seeing COVID disease surges that are once again overfilling hospital beds and ICUs beyond capacity.
Medical experts say it's the people who are unvaccinated that are giving the virus opportunities to mutate. In Missouri, just shy of 50% of people are fully vaccinated, but the state only tracks people 18 and up. In Wisconsin, 48% of the entire state is fully vaccinated, still short of what doctors want to see.
Delta variant is not only more transmissible, but it is also affecting people who have previously had COVID.
Pothoff says when it comes down to two choices, getting the vaccine or getting sick with COVID,
orders of magnitude more dangerous to get the disease than it is to get the vaccine.
Medical experts are still driving that message home to please get vaccinated. They say at this point, every COVID-19 death is a preventable one. For News 3 Now, I'm Jamie Perez.